Spotted a file with just a $sign extension in your Office Documents folder? These are temporary lock files that Office creates during editing sessions. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these Microsoft Office Owner lock files do and how to handle them. I always keep a Magic software utility on standby for the toughest $R files. That's our guaranteed solution if the initial steps don't work. This is a temporary owner file created by Microsoft Office applications like Word or Excel. When a document is opened, it contains the login name of the person who has the file open, preventing others from editing it simultaneously. These files are normally deleted automatically when the main document is closed properly. This is a small, hidden binary file, typically only a few bytes in size. Its primary design purpose is to act as a lock file or semaphore. The file's existence on the file system, rather than its content, signals to other instances of the application that the corresponding document is in use. The official utility recommended for the $R file is Microsoft Office by Microsoft. Opening this file with an unknown Windows program poses a critical security risk. Windows may leave them behind after a crash or interruption. Let's check the software manifest. Right-click your $R file and select Open With. Test Microsoft Office if it is installed. If it's unavailable, choose a different program. We are looking for the right interpreter. If your $R file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Due to the specificity of this format, we can't skip verification. I need you to check off these crucial steps before we attempt the solution. First, letting Office manage files. $R lock files are managed automatically by Microsoft Office and require no user interaction during normal operation. The files are created when documents open for editing and removed when documents close. Avoid manually deleting these files while Office is using them, as this can cause editing conflicts. Next, removing stale lock files. If Office crashes or closes improperly, our lock files may persist incorrectly, preventing reopening of documents. Close all Office applications, then manually delete orphaned $R files from the Documents folder. Documents reopen normally after removing stale locks. Show hidden files in File Explorer to see these locks. Finally, resolving network lock issues. For shared documents on network drives or SharePoint, $R lock files may indicate another user is editing. Wait for the other user to close the document or coordinate access. For SharePoint, use the Checkout check in Features, rather than relying on lock files for proper collaborative document management. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-Zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.